Today I'm working on my Whirlpool washer. I've got a washer that the agitator doesn't work. I'm going to show you how to diagnose it and fix it. What they should do is whenever you turn them, they should turn and lock in one direction, not spin in both directions. That tells me the dogs are bad. I'm going to show you how to replace the dogs. That first thing you want to do is come in here and grab the top of the agitator and pull up on it. That should pop off. And you can see down in the agitator there is a cup. It's got an O-ring on it. It's got two slots where you can put your fingers in and then pull up on it. Let's see if I can get in there and do that. Probably going to be tight. That came right out. Looks like about a 7/16. Let's give that a try and see what we come up with. And you want to hold your agitator. Now you should be able to reach down to the pull your agitator off. It should lift right out. You can look down in the top of your wringer. You've got a dog here and you've got a dog here, but there's two missing. Should be one here and one there, and they're missing. I don't know if you can see them or not. You can see them moving. Got two of them missing. Now you want to stand on your agitator, hold the top part, and you should be able to pull up on it. It should pop right out. I'm going to try to lift this out first before I turn it over. You turn it over, all that'll fall out. See if I can't remove it a piece at a time. You can see broken parts of the dogs. It's all in the center of it. That's the dogs right there that makes your top part of your agitator work. See if we can lift it out. I probably can't. Oh yeah. And that's what's left of my dogs. That's what they look like. And broke. You want to take your serial number, your second letter will tell you a year. Mine was a S. Mine's 2005 when it was made, and that's right. And you can see on Amazon they aren't very expensive. They're like $5. You can see the difference in the dogs from the wore out ones and the new ones. They don't even have teeth on them. These got teeth on them. One direction. Now you want to take your piece that your bolted down your agitator, it'll have a ring on it. Pull it up and you can see you've got the parts of the dog still in the agitator. That's that part right there. They're pretty easy to put in. Just make sure you've got the teeth going to the outside, and they should all drop right in place. And then you want to replace your plastic keeper. And that'll just let that agitator turn in one direction. Now when you put it back together, you want to keep all your dogs in, and you've got to get it on the inside of your agitator. I might be able to do it with my hand. We're ready to put it back together. Very easy to fix. Slide that back all the way down. Then you want to push down on your center part that holds your dogs till you hear it click. Now you got to get your bolt down in there. What I do is take a paper towel, put on the head of your bolt, push it in your socket. That'll hold your bolt so it won't slide off. I snug it up pretty good, wouldn't overdo it. Get your paper towel out of the way. Then I take a little dishwashing liquid, put on your seal here. And that should push down, snap in place. And replace your cap. Now you can see that agitator only turns in one direction. That's the way it should. Let's see if it works. I can't get access to my door lid switch. It moves. I don't know if it's right, but it's working.